โลครัวเราสาวโลมื้อนี้มาเฮ็ดอันนั้นคั่วหน่อไม้ใส่ผักกะแยงพวกเจ้าก็เคยเฮ็ดว่าคั่วหน่อไม้ใส่หมูกับใส่ผักกะแยง stir fry with bamboo shoot and ผักกะแยง with pork garlic and onion and it's my fish sauce my oyster sauce my canola my life soy sauce and I think I missed the black pepper. This is what you need to do, what you need to have. I mean, you ผักกะแยง and bamboo shoot หน่อไม้ and garlic, onion and กระเทียม and ผักบัว and pork. So you're gonna slide them, get it ready. That's prepping. And it take a while, so I have to make it faster, like a magic cooker. I love ผักกะแยง and then I think you can even eat with papaya salad ตำบักหุ่งกินกับตำบักหุ่งI learned this from my mom when we were back home, and of course, you know, when you live in the farm and then you have a ผักกะแยงin the farm and ไหนา and หน่อไม้ and bamboo you have at your farm. So all you need is only meat, which is pork. So we're gonna get ready to cook.After you prep everything, and with your bamboo, with ผักกะแยง with pork, slice pork really thin, and onion. If you like green onion, you can add on too. And also garlic. That's what we're gonna do. Stir fry garlic first until they smell, you know, little good or little brown. When they turn little brown, then you can start put your pork in. So it's not that hard, but cooking, you know, seems like we have the same ingredients all the time. Like salt, and soy sauce. I have like a dark soy sauce. I like to make my dish to look more brown, not to look white. So just stir fry garlic first until they turn brown. Then I can add my pork flour.This kind of pork you can slide them thin. It's up to you. You wanna make this. You wanna make a big piece. It's up to you. You wanna make small. It's up to you. So but you should make it thin, not thick. But thick is hard to. It takes some time to cook. But when you make thin, it cooks faster. You can make a thin this one.But not thick this one. Now you start adding oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is taste a little bit salty, not too much. And that is my sweet dark soy sauce. That's what I like to put into my stir fry food. So my dish would not look so plain or so white. That's my soy sauce. I think I will with this sauce. I'm going to add start steaming them. Let me just add an onion, and then you can put either way on either before or after, it doesn't matter. you have more, you can put more. Not just one and a half, but more. So you're going to keep frying the meat until it's done before you can start putting the bamboo. Now I'm going to cover for a few minutes. Now a few minutes is through. So I'm going to try to see if my meat is cooked through. It seems like it's not. I have to stir them and put them around. Not only one side cooked, another side should be cooked too. But when you put the meat on, it's like, you try to cook all over. So another few minutes went by. So I think now my meat is pretty cooked. Now I'm adding bamboo shoot in there. First I thought I'm gonna save some, but then I took a look at the bamboo and the meat. It's like, I'm just gonna put it all together. Because sometimes I like to have my bamboo to cook with Thai curry, like gayang pig or whatever. I like to have my bamboo too. It seems I have a lot of meat, a lot of pork, so I just use all the bamboo. Because I like bamboo anyway. I'm just gonna stir fry them, mix them all together. The bamboo is already cooked, but the meat just need to heat them with the meat that you cook. It looks like it's dry. So when it's dry, you can put the hot water. I have the hot water. That's my coffee hot pot there. So when I need hot water, I just get it from there. Yes. You eat with this dish. You can either eat with regular rice or sticky rice, and it tastes good. Whichever rice, it doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna cover it up for a few minutes. Few minutes went by again. Try to put all the bamboo and the meat soak in together with the the juice. I'm tasting is kind of bland. Because the sauce that I have is they don't have they're not salty. So I need to add more. And I'm gonna have to add salt in there since I don't have no fish sauce. I do have, but it's outside. I didn't have it ready here, so I just add sugar. I didn't add too much sugar. Anyway, and I have to put canola in. Canola is also a sugar in there, and salt. And I'm gonna put black pepper as my seasoning at the end. So I think this one is gonna taste a little bit salty because by looking what I put the salt in there, it's kind of a lot. Next time I'm gonna have to measure it on my teaspoon salt. I cannot just put it in like that. I get used to it like that. But anyway, if it's salty, I just gonna add more water. That's what you do. If it's salty, you add more water, and that can light saltiness out. Yep, it sure did a little bit salty. Yeah. Have to taste one more time. Yep. A little bit salty. So I'm gonna add water in there. Yep. Yes. So I'm gonna hopefully it's tasting better. This so after that I'm gonna put my ผักกะแยง and if you have like green onion you can add on to it, green onion and ผักกะแยง. I have a lot of ผักกะแยง. I need to cook them all in once. If I don't cook all in once and wait for me to cook another dish, by the time I need to cook it's gonna what do you call, it's gonna be waste because after a couple days ผักกะแยงis like kind of what you call waste and then ภาษาลาวมันเน่านะ มันเน่านะผักมันสิเน่าต้องได้ใส่ให้มันหมดบาทเดียว so I have to use them all, otherwise it's gonna waste of ผักกะแยง which I bought like $2 for that one. I try to grow them but it never survive. Yep, so that's it. Now it's ready to serve. I'm gonna go try it, eat with my rice. So you guys enjoy, okay? Now I'm tasting my food. It was just so yummy. I eat that with my I eat that with my sticky rice. And besides that I eat with lap too. I have lap left over. So I eat lap and I also eat that ผัดหน่อไม้ใส่ผักกะแยงยามฟ้าแรงค่ำลงลอย that is my lap. I eat that with the fresh long purple green. I don't have the seed to grow, but I bought that from temple. They sell it at the temple. They have like a little market whenever there's a tak bat. Yeah, so I almost finished it with my ผัดหน่อไม้ใส่ผักกะแยง Goodbye.